If you often communicate with others through email, you can set your phone to play a sound whenever you have a new email. This will help you quickly take an action for that email and prevent you to miss an important one. To change mail app notification sound, go to setting, swipe home screen to the left, and then tap setting. Scroll down the screen, and then tap mail. Tap notification. If you have multiple accounts in your mail app, tap the required account you like to change its notification sound. As the example, we will change the notification sound of the Gmail account. Tap Gmail. Tap sound. And then under alert tone section, select the sound you like to use. Now, when your Gmail account receives a new email, your phone will play the selected notification sound. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.